नमस्कार सर।
आप खुद बहस करेंगे?
सर
आप खुद बहस करेंगे, वकील
सर
करेंगे?
सबसे पहले तो मेरा ऑब्जेक्शन ये था कि हमको तो ये एडवांस कॉपी मिला नहीं था सर।
नहीं, तभी हमने तारीख लगाई थी, उस दिन बहस नहीं
हाँ
सुनी
साहब,
क्योंकि आप नहीं आए। अब मिल गई कॉपी आपको?
हैं?
अब
अभी
कॉपी
जस्ट मिला साहब, लेकिन पहले नहीं मिला।
आज मिली है?
हैं?
आज नहीं है
तो
इन्होंने।
जब ऑर्डर पास हुआ 27 को, 28 को हमको मिला साहब कैट में।
27 को क्योंकि आप नहीं मौजूद थे,
साहब,
इसलिए हमने उस दिन बहस नहीं सुनी, सिर्फ आज के लिए लगाया
ठीक
कि
है।
आपको कॉपी दें।
ठीक है साहब, लेकिन
तो
जब
आप बहस खुद करेंगे कि कोई वकील साहब
साहब
करेंगे?
मैं कर रहा हूँ सर।
आप करेंगे।
यस साहब।
आप
साहब
क्या ऑब्जेक्शन है?
साहब ऑब्जेक्शन ये है कि जब ये फाइल किया जाता है केस, तो उस टाइम में एक वो डिक्लेरेशन एडवांस कॉपी उसमें लगता है साहब। तो मेरे ख्याल से वो चीज दिया नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को हैंड ओवर किया ही नहीं।
तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा?
तो उसके वजह से हमको भी तो कॉपी मिलना चाहिए था ना पहले से।
कॉपी दे दिया इन्होंने?
कॉपी तो बाद में लेना साहब, डिसीजन के बाद।
अगर देखिए, अगर 27 तारीख को हम स्टे कर देते
हम्म।
या कोई ऑर्डर पास करते आपके खिलाफ, तब आपका ग्राउंड था कि जी हमें बिना सुने कर दिया, हमारा केविएट था।
हाँ
आप नहीं मौजूद हुए, हमने सिर्फ आज की तारीख लगाई और आपको नोटिस करने के लिए कह दिया। आप कॉपी मिल गई,
हाँ, कॉपी तो मिल गया साहब।
आप तैयार हैं?
साहब तैयार था, लेकिन क्या है कि जैसे 16 अक्टूबर को इन्होंने केस लगाया, तो हम भी जब केस लगाते तो हम उसके तो डिक्लेरेशन का एडवांस कॉपी भी देते हैं। ये इंडिविजुअल का हमने ये किया हुआ है, मतलब एक कॉपी दिया हुआ है।
देखिए, उससे
तो
केस इनका खारिज नहीं होगा।
नहीं, खारिज के लिए नहीं साहब।
तारीख पड़ेगी, तारीख इनको मिल गई, उस दिन बहस नहीं हुई, आज के लिए।
लेकिन साहब जैसे पिटिशनर ने बोला कि हमको कैविएट भी नहीं मिला, कैविएट भी नहीं मिला बोला, तो कैविएट की कॉपी दिया हुआ था।
कोई बात नहीं,
हाँ।
कैविएट की उसका इफेक्ट तो यही होता ना, आपको एडवांस कॉपी मिलती सुनवाई से पहले, वो आपको मिल गई, आज सुनवाई के लिए लगा दिया हमने। इनकी उस दिन हमने बहस नहीं सुनी, सिर्फ देखा केविएट है और आप नहीं मौजूद थे, हमने तारीख लगा दी।
ठीक है सर। तो उसका साहब जैसे आपने रिप्लाई मांगा ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने, तो हमने रिप्लाई दिया उसका साहब। तो अभी जैसे ये
आज बहस के लिए तैयार हैं?
ठीक है साहब।
ठीक है, चलिए। यस।
DPC was convened in November 23, my lord.
November 23.
Yes.
And what was the period for consideration by the DPC?
Cut-off date was, my lord, 1st January. One has to fulfill the
1st
eligibility.
January as of 23.
DPC, yes, my lord.
So
Yes.
eligibility as on 1/1/2023 was to be taken into
Yes,
account.
yes. And on that date, my lord, he was completed.
One second. आप इंग्लिश समझते हैं?
थोड़ा थोड़ा सा
क्योंकि ये इंग्लिश में बहस कर रहे हैं।
थोड़ा समझ आ रहा है।
समझ रहे हैं ना? अगर
हाँ,
नहीं
समझ
समझ रहे तो इनको हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे हिंदी में बहस कर पाएंगे,
ठीक है।
करेंगे जितना कर सकेंगे।
ठीक है सर, थोड़ा हिंदी में बोले तो ठीक रहेगा साहब।
He has made his file reply in English, my lord. He has been.
इंग्लिश में हिंदी देखिए ना,
No, your written submissions are in English, but it doesn't matter.
क्या हिंदी में तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा, इंडिया राष्ट्रीय भाषा इसीलिए।
Whatever is
Well,
convenient.
sole contention is that, my lord.
The DPC was for what post?
UD
ऑफिस सुपरिटेंडेंट,
UDC to
यूडीसी टू ऑफिस सुपरिटेंडेंट।
आप इंग्लिश तो फर्स्ट क्लास समझ रहे हैं, हमने इंग्लिश में
मैंने
सवाल
पता
पूछा,
होगा
आपने
सर।
फट जवाब दे दिया।
थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ आता है।
पोस्ट ऑफ
UDC to office superintendent. As of now, he has been promoted, my lord. To
no,
the
he must be claiming now
for
that
first. Yes, yes.
Where is the rule with regard to eligibility?
If I can take, my lords, page 55 of my petition, my lord. I'll come to 2021, my lord. We have been in the records, my lord, since 1998. We have been following the cutoff date is from calendar year. Though in the meantime, initially in 2017, my lord, office memorandum came with the direction. Now DPC should.
So in any case, as of the office member, because this DPC is 2023,
2021.
of 12th August will apply.
Yeah, yes, I'm coming to that. Yes, yes, ma'am. Can I read, my lord? To page 56.
What are you
That
reading?
this has been relied by the tribunal, my lord.
No, what are you reading?
I am reading the office memorandum 12th August 2022,
Yes.
which has been relied by the tribunal as well as my friend, my lord. Let us read, my lord, what the language of this. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Paragraph, first paragraph, my lord. As per instructions in DOPT OM dated 8/5/2017, ministry departments which were mostly following financial year April-March based vacancy year system till 17-18 for promotion to various grade were required to shift the calendar year January to December based vacancy year from the year 2018 onward. Consequently, the crucial date for determining the eligibility also changed for 1st April to 1st January. Well, second line. Ministry and departments which were mostly Initially, the office memorandum came in 2017. If I could take, my lords, that is what does the
So you are saying this is applicable only to those ministries
Yes.
following April to March.
yes.
You are not following.
No,
April
no,
to March.
we have been following.
But in any case,
Yes, ma'am.
this changes it to January.
No, yes, well, I'm coming to that, my lord. If I can take, my lords, page number 120, my lord. Initially, into this office memorandum also speaks about OM dated 2017. OM 2017 is very,
Begin with the expression if.
even though he would not be applicable.
Sorry,
Even though he would not be
why not?
applicable. I'll again come.
Look at
Yes.
clause 4 of the
Yes, my lord. If I can take, my lord, this chart, my lord. Vacancy year 21, 22, 23.
Yeah.
Those who were promoting, who were taken into consideration for 21, 22, 23. My lord, up to 3 months for those who have completed eligibility service prescribed in the RR 31st March 2021. Those who have not come,
No, you see, this what this OM says is
yes,
that because of this shift
huh.
for the vacancy year 21 to 23.
Yes, department who are still,
One second.
yes, my lord.
There are two issues.
Yes, sir.
Departments following January, December,
Yes, my lord.
department following April,
Yes,
March.
yes,
If you were following January, December, this doesn't apply to you.
yes,
If you are following April, March,
yes.
it becomes
My
applicable.
lord, absolutely
So
correct.
we began with the question, if this is
Yes,
applicable,
yes,
he
yes.
is entitled to 3 months relaxation.
Absolutely, my
If
lord.
it was applicable, the tribunal's decision is correct.
Yes, I bowed on, my
So
lord.
we have to now only see
Yes, my lord.
what is the system you were following earlier.
Yes, my lord.
Show us what is the system you were
Yes,
following.
yes, my lord. If I can take, my lord's page 110. It starts, my lord, from 109. Zone of consideration, my lord. I'm just reading relevant paragraph. It falls page 110.
Yes.
Paragraph 3, my lord. Crucial date for determining eligibility. The crucial date for determining eligibility of officers for promotion as
What is this document?
my lord, it is the procedure, zone of consideration, my lord.
No.
How to consider, my
What
lord.
is this document?
This documents, my lord, zone of consideration for DPC. My lord, if I can read first
No,
line.
this is your personal document. This is your official document. This is document applicable to you, or this is a general document you're showing. You have to show us that in your department, you are following January, December rule.
Yes, my
How
lord.
do you show that?
I can.
Show us the,
if I read, if
show
I,
us the notices prior to 2023. What were the eligibility cutoff dates?
Lord, I have one copy. I just received this. Paragraph 9 and 10. We have been relying this one.
What is this?
This has been and the paragraph which I am reading, referring this office memorandum or this procedure also, my lord. If my lord may allow me to read once this
One
paragraph.
second. You see, if you look at annexure P5,
P5. Yes, but this is clarification, my lord. For
yes,
the all.
you're saying in the record offices, promotions are always carried out on calendar year basis with crucial date of 1st January.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the evidence of that? Shows that.
I have just given the office memorandum, my lord. I was
This is-
reading 110, my lord.
You have to show us record offices circulars, not OM.
Sir, my lord,
The OM is issued by DOPT, general for all. You see, this OM is applicable to all.
but
Some are following 1st January, some are following 1st April.
this was not disputed over there. What? Yes.
That is the dispute.
No, he never disputed this. He said ki I have completed 9 years, 11 months service. After that, 2 vacancy arises. due to voluntary retirement of two candidates. So since he was completing his eligibility criteria on after 1 month, February 1st. So his contention before the tribunal, since now after the voluntary retirement of two people, vacancies are there. So I should be considered. My respectful submission is that, my lord, even for the supplementary DPC, crucial date for determination would remain same, that is 1st January. That you have to fulfill the first criteria. If you are not fulfilling the criteria, you will not be considered, because you have not been declined due to lack of vacancies. Your name was not find place in the list of eligible candidate because on the crucial date you were not fulfilling the criteria of 13 years.
Did the DPC take into account,
My
1 second,
yes,
the vacancies which arose later?
my lord, after that, for that, my lord, I'm just coming to that. There
If
is
the
a-
DPC took into account,
My lord,
you see, there are two things. For the vacancies which arose prior to the period that he became eligible, he is ineligible, you can't consider it.
Yes, my lord.
But if there are some anticipated vacancies or vacancies which have arisen, and you've taken them into account,
Yes.
for which, had they gone to next year, he would have been eligible. Then you can't demand.
Next year he has been promoted. But my lord,
Those vacancies which arose,
my lord, but he has to fulfill eligibility criteria on
for the vacancies which were there on 1st January.
on that. Yes, my lord.
मेरे एक पॉइंट था, जैसे इन्होंने बोला क्रूशियल डेट 1 जनवरी, तो जो प्रमोशन और डीपीसी 23 का जो प्रमोशन जो निकला था वो 1 फरवरी 23 को निकला था, 1 फरवरी, तो उस डेट को तो मैं एलिजिबल हो गया, 1 फरवरी 23 को मैं एलिजिबल था।
पर एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया कट ऑफ डेट तो जनवरी रहेगी,
लेकिन 1 फरवरी में दिया ना साहब, 1 फरवरी 23 से प्रमोशन ऑर्डर दिया हुआ है।
प्रमोशन ऑर्डर जब से भी इशू किया, लेकिन एलिजिबिलिटी तो 1 जनवरी से देखेंगे ना, आपके 10 साल कब पूरे हुए? आप तो सिर्फ कह रहे हो जो वैकेंसी तो आगे इनको सप्लीमेंट्री में डाल दो। सप्लीमेंट्री डीपीसी अगर करेंगे तो आप फिर भी एलिजिबल नहीं होते। अगर जो ये है